Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to create this beautiful data visualization. Add your profile picture, maybe radius 20, and align it. Then add text layer and change it to your greeting and name, so on. Then pick your favorite font, make it look good. Then adjust the font size, maybe 14, semi-bold. The name can be 24. Then select both and group it and align it and group it. Then add one line, maybe black, opacity 10. Then drag your more icon. Align everything properly and group it. Then add one rectangle. The radius can be filled. Then duplicate few more times and different sizes. Then align that way you want. Then pick the color. We don't want border. Then drag and drop your icon. Then add few text, maybe data value, numbers, and the name. Maybe number can be bigger. Then align everything and group it. Again, we group it within the circle, so all in a single group. Then same way we can create other data as well. Verify it once all in the same group or not, so we won't mess up. Then duplicate the artboard. Align everything in a single line like this. Then select the first one and reduce this text opacity to 0. Then we can reduce that rectangle size, maybe 100 cross 100. Then align the icon and the text properly in the circle. The same way we can do it for all the circle. Again, if you need to increase that size, always you can do it. I'm just changing a bit. Once it's done, we can duplicate the artboard. Then we select the first one and we can increase the width. Don't worry, we have created as a rectangle, so it won't stretch. So if you want to change the path, don't use circle, use rectangle. It's easy to modify later. Then we're gonna create some different graphs. So then add one rectangle. Bottom can be sharp, top can be a curve. No border. Then add linear gradient. Both is a white, but bottom is opacity 0. Then we can use repeated grid and create few more balls. And group it again, so you can modify. Then we can create that weekly text. We can add text layer for again repeated grid and modify all the text. And group it again. And duplicate it, and we can push it down for the other one as well. Again, you can create your own ideas. Then adjust the bar chart. Here we can create a different chart. So use pen tool to create a few points like zigzag. Size maybe 2, white. Then add on circle for the pointers. Add some shadow. Then here we can add one big rectangle and radius fill, highlighted value maybe 300. For the last graph, we're gonna create one rectangle. We don't want border. And double click it, so we can add few more dots and we can arrange like this. Again, we can use linear gradient, both as white. Bottom opacity is 0. Then we can copy paste that highlighted text, then add it here. Then we can add one line for highlighted. Again, we can group it and align everything properly, and we can take this graph and we can arrange it with the original group. The same way we can use it for all the graphs, so we won't mess up. Again, verified ones. These two graphs, we're gonna make it in a reveal animation, so it could be more natural. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create one rectangle top of it, and I am selecting that mask with a shape and increasing the width. The same way I could do it for above also. Then duplicate the artboard. Select the first graph and we can make it smaller, like height we can reduce a bit. Same way in down. and here we can increase the mask so it will be visible. And this too we can opacity 0. This we can rotate to X mark. Now we can add prototype, tap, auto animate, easy in out, 1 second, and here to here we can make it time, and same way here. For making the backwards, we can duplicate this artboard and reverse the prototype like this, and here to here. That's it guys.